Do you know that more than 80% of Fortune 500 companies use Tableau as business intelligence tool? And Excel? Well, it's been around for almost 4 decades. But do you really need both? Let's find out. But first, let's start by discussing the agenda for the first video of this course. I'm going to give you a quick introduction to two amazing data analysis and visualization tools that we'll be using in this course, which are obviously Excel and Tableau. So by the end of this video, you'll have these tools set up on your system and be ready to explore data. Here's what we'll cover. We'll start by discussing the pros and cons of Excel and Tableau and why many data scientists prefer using data visualization tools like Tableau. After that, we'll see a quick comparison between Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace to help you decide whether to use Excel or Google Sheets for this course. Then we'll discuss why we choose Tableau over other business intelligence tools available in the market for data visualization. Then understanding the different versions of Tableau, including the paid version for professionals and developers and the free version for students. Then I'll show you a step-by-step guide on downloading and installing the free version of Tableau on your system. After that, we'll cover an introduction to dashboards, what a fully functional dashboard looks like, and examples of some beautiful dashboards created by users and students like us. Then finally, we'll explore something called Tableau's Discover Gallery, where users share their best visualizations and dashboard on daily basis. Overall, it's gonna be a light and informative session. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about Excel. It is one of the most widely used spreadsheet tool out there. Whether you are working with data in business, finance, or education, you've probably used Excel before. So let's see what makes Excel so great. Firstly, it is the most popular data analysis tool, and it's by default was the first data tool for most of us. Excel provides a sense of connection with the data, as we can directly interact with the data to have a better understanding of it. Excel helps you organize and perform calculations quickly. You can create basic charts and graphs for visualization in it. And it works fairly well for a small to medium-sized dataset. But in the analytics world, only learning Excel is not enough, as it has some serious shortcomings as well. First, it has a data limit of about 1 million rows only, so performance will exponentially slow down as data grows bigger in size. It means it's not for big data analysis. Secondly, the visualizations created in Excel are mostly static, meaning they have no real interactivity. And last but not the least, it lacks real-time data connectivity with cloud and data servers. So all in all, Excel or Sheets is good for basic tasks and analysis, but for the real-world analytics, we need more powerful softwares for data visualization. And that's where Tableau comes in. So now let's move on to Tableau and quickly explore how Tableau overcomes these challenges. Unlike Excel, Tableau is built specifically for business intelligence and data visualization. So why Tableau is a game changer? That's because it's very intuitive and easy to use. Almost no prior knowledge of coding is required. With just a few drag and drops, you can create your visuals pretty quickly, and it can also handle large datasets with ease. Tableau supports interactive dashboards, making data exploration effortless. Don't worry, we'll see what a dashboard is in a few minutes. Tableau can connect to various data sources, including Excel files, SQL databases, and even cloud services like Amazon's AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP, which is a Google Cloud platform, and many more. And on the top, just like you share a YouTube video or Instagram Reels, Tableau allows you to conveniently share your visualizations and dashboards with anyone, and they can view it online without installing the Tableau. Awesome, right? But there are a few challenges with Tableau as well. The full or enterprise version of Tableau costs around $850 per year, which is around 70,000 in Indian rupees. But for learning and personal use, Tableau Public is free, which is good news for us, and we don't have to worry about any cost. And another con I want to discuss is that it doesn't have many built-in data transformation features as Excel. But that's not a big challenge, we are anyway learning both of them. Make sense? Moving on, let's see which spreadsheet tool we'll use in this course. So there are two popular spreadsheet tools in the market. One is Excel, offered by Microsoft as a part of its Office 365 package, and the other one is Google Sheets, provided by Google. For our course, we will use Google Sheets because it's free, requires no installation, allows real-time collaboration, and easy sharing your sheet with colleagues. In terms of functionality, most of the tasks you perform in Google Sheets are similar to Excel, so transitioning from one tool to another is seamless. You can simply start working on Google Sheets immediately by clicking on this link. Here you can simply start entering your data and begin using formulas for calculation instantly. For example, like adding the first 4 numbers using the sum formulas, which comes out to be 10. Don't worry, we'll cover all important formulas and functions in the Excel section after Tableau. Alternatively, you can search for Google Sheets on google.com and click on the first link that will again take you to the blank spreadsheet. So it's that simple to get started with the Google Sheets. Now that we have chosen our spreadsheet tool, it's time to understand why we choose Tableau for this course over other business intelligence tools available in the market. Why go for Tableau when other options like Power BI or QlikView exists? Well, here's why Tableau stands out. I asked ChatGPT to prepare a comparative table for you to review, highlighting the pros and cons of popular business intelligence tools available today. So let's explore a few key factors to consider as we begin our data visualization journey with Tableau. First, Tableau Public is free to use and learn. It's incredibly intuitive to use. Just drag and drop to create your visualizations. Tableau is built for storytelling with the data. It's highly interactive. You can quickly share your projects online for free. It works both on Windows and Mac OS, and the list goes on. So take your time to go through this table if you're hearing these tools for the very first time. So all in all, my final verdict is that the Tableau Public is the best choice for beginners. Now that we have settled the debate between Tableau and other business intelligence or BI tools, let's explore the 2 popular versions of Tableau available to us. First, we have the developer version of Tableau called Tableau Desktop. It is primarily designed for professionals and corporations that work with data in secured environment and need to connect to multiple data sources on daily basis. That's why Tableau Desktop is a licensed product costing approximately $90 to $100 per month or around $850 per year. However, a 14 days free trial of this desktop version is available for users to explore its features. Here I have provided the link to download Tableau's desktop trial version in these slides as well as in the video description below for your exploration. On the other hand, Tableau for Students, also known as Tableau Public, is completely free for individual use. It is the best option for learning and personal projects, which is why we'll use it in our course. By following this link, you can head over to official Tableau Public page. Great! Now let me quickly show you how to download and install Tableau Public on your machine so you can start building awesome visualizations. So to download Tableau Public, go to this link tableau.com/academic/students. And once you land on this website, just click on Get Tableau for free and you will be redirected to the next page to download the software. Now here, fill a few personal details, select your role and hit download button. The software will automatically start downloading based on your operating system. Cool? Now after downloading the software, locate the file in your downloads folder and install it just like any other application. The process is pretty straightforward. But still, I have also provided separate installation steps for both Windows and Mac if needed. Once the installation is complete, open the application and this is what the welcome screen of Tableau Public should look like. So congratulations, this is how you can successfully install Tableau Public on your system. Piece of cake, right? Next, I want to briefly introduce what Tableau and other BI tools are capable of. Let me show you a few examples of professional level dashboards built using Tableau Public. This is a snapshot of an inventory management dashboard. Here you can see various visualizations providing key insights about the data. It includes essential indicators that business use daily, such as inventory status, value trends, top selling products, and many other key performance indicators. Next, we have a dashboard showcasing real-time stock performance of major tech companies. You can experience the full version of this dashboard online by clicking on this link. It is publicly available on Tableau Public website. Although the data is slightly outdated and it's not live, but notice how well structured and informative the dashboard is. You can see company names, logos, stock prices, monthly, half-yearly and yearly trends. And the best part is interactivity. By simply hovering over these trend charts, we can drill down into a candlestick view of daily and weekly stock performance. These functionalities may seem intimidating at first, but don't worry, we'll learn to build similar functionalities in this course. Exciting, right? Now looking at these sample dashboards, Let's try to define what a dashboard is in simple terms. So basically, a dashboard is simply a collection of multiple visualizations, charts, maps, and tables which are displayed on a single screen to provide a comprehensive view of the data. I hope now you have a clear intuitive understanding of what a dashboard is. Here I've also included a GIF image of another dynamic dashboard. This one visualizes the Australian stock market. Notice how all visualizations update dynamically based on the user's action. So if we talk about the major features of the dashboard, is that it is highly interactive, where users can filter, hover, and drill down into the data. Dashboards provide real-time updates and present meaningful insights in an engaging way, or we can say they have strong storytelling ability. Also, dashboards work seamlessly across laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. So compatibility is also taken care of. So this is all about the overview of dashboards. Now let me introduce you to Tableau's amazing gallery of visualizations called Tableau Discover. The Tableau Discover is essentially a free marketplace where you can explore the latest visualizations, connect with Tableau community, and discover curated content. Clicking on this link will take you to the Tableau Discover homepage. Here you can browse trending visualizations and dashboards. I highly recommend visiting this page regularly to gain inspiration from these stunning visuals for your own projects. And that's it for this video. I hope you are excited to start building a feature-rich dashboard in Tableau and diving into the world of advanced data analytics. In the next video, I'll walk you through the Google Sheets and Tableau interface and help you clearly understand the business data we will be using throughout the course, and also introduce you to important data science terminologies. Alright, see you in the next one.